He's getting passed around. And then another one was
Okay, here we go.
oh, yeah. It looked like
Hope it's recording properly.
straight through. Straight through.
Oh. Is it better with a phone or?
No. Apparently, I think it's better with this guy. This guy said 4K.
I can't. There's no zoom though.
Yeah, that's true. Don't roast me when I said this. That conversation again, eh?
But I'm telling you, I don't know if we can see this.
We'll know.
Alright, fine. We'll go with it. Alright, as we start the grand final.
Up the chooks.
First set. Ignore that camera talk.
I don't know about this guy.
Because we've got some ball movement. Oh, she's through too! She almost beats free. Mrs. Lee spreads it to Dare's good kick. It's been played out. What a pickup from Alex. And it's 6 again. Who's Nails? Oh, I thought you meant Anna, but it doesn't matter. Mikey with another line break. Second line break already. Anna goes herself there.
Oh my lord.
Gets corralled. They're going left now. They're playing at intensity. Hits the hole hard. Gets tagged.
Oh, left again.
Going at 1,000,000 miles per hour here. Des slows it down naturally. Anna again, right foot. Just keeps them honest. And Yellow have survived somehow through a frantic start to this grand final. Oh, back inside there. Support again. Mrs. Lee with a great tag. Oh, looking for the short side again, Ben. Ben gets there. A lot of talk now. Another cutout. Good hands. Straight to the wing. Good tag from T.
Ben, come out.
Bit of space out this way, but it doesn't get there. It's last now. Oh, decides to run it a bit. Gets the roll on, and it's going to... Oh wow, what happened there? Kicking team can't dive. I don't know if people know this, but kicking team can't dive. So
Did he dive?
wasn't there somebody on the ground?
He dived. He dived.
Team can dive for
For us. I don't know. It was a bit far. Anyways, what was that? Was that a goal try?
Yeah, go try.
2-0. I'm a bit blind tonight. Is the light a bit glary here? Jess tries to sneak through. Awkward play the ball, but Shirl Lee. Oh, Greg with his first dash. Good energy from both teams. This is proper grand final stuff. Not making much ground here though. Spaz. Greg, he's gonna boot it. It gets played at. Who wants it? Oh, awkwardness, but eventually collected. He'll go himself here. He's hit through.
Who gets it?
Oh, Lou with the chase down. Looked like he could have ran a bit faster there, but doesn't matter. Oh, there's plenty of space now. Huge overlap on the left. Shirley covers it for the time being. Lou again with about the third tag of the set, and it's last. Oh, it's play on, ball's gone. Spreading it, X, keeping it alive. Hot potato, Anna makes it, and it's a turnover. Who wants it? They're too tired from defending. Jess with a hard run up the guts. Lou, after chasing down the line break, almost makes one himself. Gregory Back on the in. Nice ball! Anna with some speed here. Gets chased down. Who wants it? Greg sends it to Lou. Early ball. Nice cut out to Alex. Straightens up. Almost. And yes, he does. Slices through, and great sequence there after a line break. Just spreading it into space. That's what you want after a line break. Don't go one outs. Use the ball, use the hands. That's where the defense is spread, and there you go. 2-1 to yellow.
Turn the tide.
Bit of a turnaround there after that. Could have easily been a try to yellow again, but Lou with the chase down, and then immediately after, there we go. And it's play on. It's gone backwards. Play the whistle. Oh, Gregory locking that down like a marriage. Pass was a bit forward and a half, and the ref has to call that. Anna with the tactical sub. She wants it, she needs it.
Nice, Anna, good run.
Greg almost spins to win. No marker now. Ben, he's gonna go himself, you know that. I know this. Beating the first defender a couple of times here. Play, XY, hits the hole. Catches it, but gets tagged though. Great line from Alex. He'll do that all day. Back into the ruck. Gregory at speed. Too much speed. It's a knock on, and it's yellow ball. But I suppose not a bad place to turn it over. Quick, play the ball here. Who's ready? Oh, heads up work from the girl winger there. Steals some meters. Ref making sure they're onside. X gives back in. Hot potato. Hot potato.
Nice, Amy.
Oh, bit of space in behind here, but it's gonna run out. Kick just a little too hard there. What a frantic start. I'm pretty tired commentating. Ben takes the settler. Nails. Oh, cops a shoulder. And she's the one apologizing. Greg! He almost should have gone himself. They all fell for that. Goes back to the same side. Just marshalling the troops here, Greg. Alex comes into the middle now. Gives it early. Yeah, it's a cheeky kick from Ben. Perfect bounce. He's looking for someone. He's looking for the try line. What's it now? 2-2? Yes, the equalizer. I don't even know if Ben planned for that. He just kind of caught that and figured, oh yeah, I'll put the kick in behind. As Lou wants to go for the boy kickoff, 10 meters behind the halfway line. Just a Fairfield specialty here. Great kick, watch the bounce, watch the top spin, and he's done his ankle. Lou beating him all ends up in more ways than one. 2. But he's done well. He's done very well after doing his ankle there. Just a settler here, surely. More than a settler, almost through. They're all offside now. That's good meters from Big Man. Into the middle area now. Good hands, draw and pass. Des covers 2 of them, but I think they're gonna say late tag or so it's a penalty, new set. Oof. Okay, short side. Surely they'll cover this, and they have. A lot of depth here now. Nice, keeping it alive, but he's got no tag. Got a bit of X factor about him, Yellow. Ooh, hip city there, and I make sure of it. It's almost an intercept. Nope. Holds on to it, and they've nicely defended, but now they need to get out. And they might do that, and they will do that. He's running on treadmill here. He's running on quicksand, and he finally gets there. He looked like he was jogging, but involuntarily. That looked like a tired run to me. Straight out. Someone needs a sub.
He just ran.
It's Dead City from Deslu, but great try. And it's 3-2. They've finally stolen the lead. First time in the game. Oh, aggression from Gregory. It's a great game so far. Bit of footwork.